हांव बेळगांवच्या जिल्हाधिकारी कार्यालयाच्या सामकारल्यान उलयतां. हांगासर खानापूर तालुक्यांतले शेतकरी तेच भशेन जे एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आसात तांणी जिल्हाधिकाऱ्यांक एक निवेदन दिलां आनी ह्या निवेदना वरवीं तांणी कळसा बांडोरा प्रकल्प जावचो न्हय म्हणून विनंती केल्ली आसा. कित्याक खूब जर प्रकल्प जाल्या उपरांत तालुक्यांतल्या शेतकऱ्यांक तेच भशेन पर्यावरणाक व्हडलो धोको आसा. हो प्रदेश वाळवंटात रुपांतर जातले आनी तेच भशेन उत्तर कर्नाटकाक लेगीत ह्या प्रकल्पाचो कांयच फायदो जावचो ना अशें ह्या निवेदनांत म्हणलां. तेच भशेन हो जो जे शेतकऱ्यांक नोटिसीस धाडल्यात बांडोरा प्रकल्पा संबंधी नेरसा आनी परिसरांतल्या शेतकऱ्यांक जे नोटिसीस धाडल्यात ते सुद्दां इल्लिगल आसात अशेंय तांणी आपलें म्हणणें जिल्हाधिकाऱ्या सामकाराक दिलां. आनी अशे तरेन हो तांचो जो स्ट्रगल आसा हांचे जे चळवळ आसा ती अजून आतां आनी मुखार व्हरतले अशें सगळ्यांनी सांगलां.
Important day. Today, people from all walks of life, irrespective of differences in languages, without any differences of their parties, of all religions, all caste and creed, we have all come together to fight for North Karnataka. Mahanadi diversion is going to cause a massive ecological destruction in most eco-sensitive region of Western Ghats. We started with Khanapur Taluka because Khanapur Taluka is in forefront of 22 talukas which would be affected if Mahanadi will be diverted. You take Ghataprabha, you take Malaprabha, they all origin in Western Ghats. They are there because of Western Ghats. They give about 80% of the water in Ghataprabha or Malaprabha flows because it rains in Western Ghats and Khanapur. If we damage the forest, we are again reinstating again and again that we all have now resolved that we have to protect the 700 square kilometers of forest which is responsible for the rains that will save Khanapur and that will save Hubli, Dharwad and Belgaum and North Karnataka.
Already Captain Nitin Dond has explained the importance of the Khanapur forest. But what we expected today when we met the Deputy Commissioner is immediate stoppage of the underground pipeline that is being led by acquiring agricultural land of farmers and taking this water from Bandura Nala to Dharwad and Gadag. That is what we expected to happen today. And fortunately, the Deputy Commissioner listened to us carefully and he agreed that prima facie this seems to be a reasonable demand. So he has promised that he will see to it that the proper information is obtained and till that time the work is stopped. So this is the great achievement. And this was possible. Like I'll support Nitin in saying that historically we have been fighting this battle for 30 years. Okay, Mahanadi diversion issue we have taken up 30 years ago. But now the local farmers are up in arms because their land is being taken and their water is being taken. Alright, so that is the great achievement and Deputy Commissioner said whatever he can do in the capacity of Deputy Commissioner, he is going to do.
But what specific he is going to do?
He is going to send a letter to the irrigation department, the major irrigation department, who are taking this land. Because he pointed it out to us that you are saying that in the name of drinking water, the project is being run. He says, please understand that when the major irrigation department has issued this notice, apparently it is not for drinking purposes. It is for irrigation purposes. So I said, then you please find out that whether the because he said environmental clearances have been already obtained. I told him that well, in that case, they might have obtained the environmental clearance certificate based on the fact that the project is for drinking water purposes. You please find out. So he is going to find that out also, that on what basis environmental clearances have been obtained, and so on that basis now we will fight a legal battle also with him. So the next meeting also he said, you come prepared with all the information that you are not able to get now, because day before yesterday you had your meeting in Khanapur. So you have come to me today and your specific request is to stopping of the pipeline work. That I'll see what I can do. But as a larger thing, you please come with legal consultation and we will see that well justice is done.
Thank you.
धारवाडच्या लोकांना पिण्याच्या पाण्या प्रश्नासाठी आपलं मलप्रभा बांदुरा आणखीन कळसा या छोट्याशा नद्यांना वळवून धारवाडला पाणी घेऊन जाण्यासाठी म्हणून जे आज पाईपलाईनच्या संदर्भात एकूण सरकारने नोटिसा पाठवल्या आहेत त्या अत्यंत चुकीच्या आहेत. कारण इथल्याच लोकांना पिण्याच्या पाण्याचा प्रश्न इतका गंभीर असताना इथलं पाणी घेऊन जाऊन ते तिकडं जर देणार असले तर ही हास्यास्पद गोष्ट आहे. कळसा आणि बांदुराचं पाणी जे मलप्रभाला येतं तेच एकदा याला पाईपलाईननी गेल्यानंतर मलप्रभा पण कोरडी पडणार आहे आणि त्यानंतर शेतकऱ्यांचे आजूबाजूला असणाऱ्या शेती टिकवण्याच्या बरोबरीनं त्यांच्या पिण्याच्या पाण्याचा पण प्रश्न गंभीर निर्माण होणार आहे. तेव्हा हे सरकार जे करत आहे ते अत्यंत हास्यास्पद आणि या गरीब जनतेला एकूणच खड्ड्यात घेऊन जाण्याचं काम करत आहे. पिण्याच्या पाण्याचाच प्रश्न सोडवायचा झाला तर त्याच्यासाठी अण्णा हजारे यांनी एक महाराष्ट्रामध्ये प्रयोग केला अहमदनगरमध्ये रायगड शिंदेला आणि तिथून त्या गावासाठी आणि आजूबाजूच्या गावासाठी पिण्याच्या पाण्याचा प्रश्न तर सोडवला. त्याचबरोबर तिथं आता उत्तम प्रकारे कांदा पिकवला जातो आणि ट्रकनी कांदा पाठवून देऊन जे लोक जगण्यासाठी बाहेर जात होते
इथं तुम्ही काय उपाय सुचवताय?
तर या धारवाडच्या लोकांना पिण्याच्या पाण्याचा प्रश्न जर निर्माण झाला असेल तर त्या भागामध्ये अशा एकूण जागा शोधल्या पाहिजे की जिथं पावसाचं पाणी आपण
तशा जागा आहेत का?
अडवून
तशा जागा आहेत का?
ते शोधावं लागेल ना, शोधावं लागेल. आणि सगळीकडं असं कधी नसतं, कळलं का? तर ते आपण अडवून जिरवून
एक बेनियाळ नाला आहे, बेनियाळ नाला आहे तिकडं, बेनियाळ वळवू शकतात त्यांनी.
मध्ये एवढी लेक्स होती हुबळी धारवाडला, एवढे तळी होती लेक्स इन हुबळी अँड धारवाड, दे कॅन बी रिज्युव्हिनेटेड.
खानापूर तालुक्याच्या शेतकऱ्यांना एकूण त्रासात ढकलण्याचं जे काही एकूण षडयंत्र करतायत ते अत्यंत हास्यास्पद आहे.
बेळगाव ब्युरो चीफ लुईस रॉड्रिक्स.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.